Okay, this is your ballad rifle work from the back side. So we're gonna start in the left flat, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's a 16 count ripple, and the move is an 8 count move. So the groups will go 1, 3, 5, and 7. So if you're on group 4, you'll go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then all together we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your hand on your hip. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then you'll go top cone, bottom cone, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there you'll transition into swing flag for the ballad.